Okay, so for subtraction, 16 minus 8. 6 minus 8 cannot be. Hindi pwede. So, what are we going to do? We break down 16 into 10 plus 6. Tsaka ka rito mag-minus 8. Okay, so as you can see, meron ng mababawas which is 10. 10 minus 8, that would be 2. So, 2 plus 6. 2 plus 6 is 8. So, 16 minus 8 is 8. Okay, for 17 minus 9, you have 10 plus 7, then minus 9. Okay, so meron na tayong mababawas dito. 10 minus 9, that would be 1. 1 plus 7, that would be 8. So, 17 minus 9 is 8. For 13 minus 5, you have 10 plus 3, then minus 5. So, let's subtract. 10 minus 5 is 5. 5 plus 3, that would be 8. Okay. Then you have 28 minus 19. So, 8 minus 9 cannot be. So, you have here 20 plus 8. Then, we can have minus 10 plus 9. Okay. Or, pwede rin naman, diretso natin ng 19. Okay. Pwede naman natin i-diretso ng 19, no? So, 20 minus 19. Ayan. Kasi mas malaki pa rin to eh. So, 20 minus 19, that would be 1. So, 1 plus 8, that would be 9. Okay. So, 28 minus 19 is 9.